to subscribe!
Crong's Hiccup!
On this clear morning, what is Pororo doing?
They smell good. I hope my friends will like them. Tasty cookies, everyone will love them. Oh? Crong, wake up! Our friends will be here soon. Oh, he's completely out, isn't he? Cookies taste best when we share them. Oh. Oh, I think some of my cookies have disappeared. How strange. Oh, they're all here.
Hello, Pororo.
I baked some cookies to share with you all.
Cookies? Wow!
Oh, where are my cookies?
Pororo found that his cookies were all gone.
Crong! Oh, where did you go? Crong! What's wrong, Pororo?
Where is Crong?
Oh?
Oh? Crong?
Crong has the hiccups now because he ate the cookies too fast.
What's wrong with Crong?
Why didn't Crong come?
He's at home because he has the hiccups.
Still?
No matter how much time passed, Crong's hiccups wouldn't stop.
Crong, goodbye.
Crong thinks that his hiccups are a serious disease.
Crong cried?
Yes?
Is there any way to stop his hiccups, Eddie?
I have a good idea.
Oh?
Look, Crong, repeat after me.
What is he doing? Shh, they're holding their breath.
Yes, hold it longer.
Yes, Crong, hold it longer.
Oh, it didn't work.
I have an idea. Here's what we're going to do.
Crong.
Are you okay, Crong?
How about that? Your hiccups stopped when we scared you.
Wow, that's good.
It's just me. Did I scare you? I'm sure I stopped your hiccups.
You really scared us.
Oh, Loopy has the hiccups now.
Oh, what was that? Loopy has them now?
Are you okay, Loopy? Huh?